Good morning to all of you. So today we are going to do a practice of PPDT. PPDT is one of the integral part of your screening test, and it is one of the most important part that you will have to go through for this entire SSB interview experience. Because in order to get the actual SSB interview, you will have to qualify the PPDT as well as OIR. OIR test you have already given, but right now we have to practice about the PPDT test. In the PPDT, I will explain you once again what you have to do. I will show you a picture for 30 seconds. It will be a blurry picture, a hazy picture, so that because it is a test of perception. And the reason a blurry picture is shown because they want to test कि आपका perception कैसा है, and when you perform a group discussion, as you will have a different stories, so it will be difficult for you to come to a common story. After showing that picture for 30 seconds, I will give you 1 minute to fill that certain box and write the action of the story. And then after, I will give you 4 minutes for writing a story based on the picture shown to you. And after the completion of the writing, I will take that sheet back from you. Then one by one, chest number wise, you will have to start narrating your story. The narration will be while sitting only. The body posture will be quite neutral. Your feet will be at shoulder width apart. Your hands will be resting on your lap, and you will have to maintain a straight and erect spine. And maintain proper eye contact with each and every group member. Do not look at the assessor neither here nor there. And after that, after completion of the narration of the last person, as soon as his narration completes, the group discussion will start. And in the group discussion, all of you will have to discuss and come to one single common story. The test has been designed in such a way that when you write a story, it is a test of your mansa. Because in the psychology test, you will have to perform a thematic perception test. There you will have to write continuously 12 stories. So if a candidate is able to write one story here, that means he has a potential to write 12 stories there also. So he is above average in terms of mansa. Then when you narrate the story, it is a test of your vacha, because the story that you are writing is a thought and expression. And vacha means the expression of your thoughts and emotion via speech. And after the completion of the narration, when you perform a group discussion, it is a test of your karmana, because here all of you will have a different story, different background, different everything. But one thing is common, that all of you will have to discuss and come to one single common story. So here you will have to think about the group first, the common objective first, and then only after yourself only. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
During the discussion, keep in mind that it is a discussion, not a debate. So sometimes you will have to lose your point in order to make your group win. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to show you the picture now. Observe the picture for 30 seconds. I'm going to give you 1 minute to fill the box and write the action of the story. Okay, all of you stop writing. Collect your PPDT sheets. Ready for the next part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. System number 109. Start narrating your story.
Okay.
From the shown picture to us, I have perceived there are two characters in the main role as well as a vehicle, and there is a garage shop in the background where a group of people is seen by me. My story begins with the Ramakant, a 28-year-old man who used to live in the Chatar village of Jharkhand, who recently qualified his graduation from the Ranchi University in the Jharkhand, and he has given the police inspector exam in the Jharkhand police. After completion of his training, he was posted in the Bihar-Jharkhand border to support or to reduce the smugglers who used to smuggle the illegal goods from the Jharkhand to Bihar, which is banned in it. As far as the consideration is concerned, he used to do the routine exercise every day, checks the vehicle as well as the trucks. Once of all, a vehicle comes to it where the pollution level was not good. He saw the driver advised him to go to the nearby garage for the permanent solution, and also laid the posters at the Bihar-Jharkhand border to secure it.
Next.
Gentlemen, I have perceived two characters in the story. One is in positive mood and one is in neutral mood. The age of the first character is around 25 years and the second character is around 30 years. So my story goes on like Aryan, the protagonist of my story, was a social worker and he studied in MG College, Pune. One day when he was going to his college, he found out that a person was driving so roughly on the road. So he followed him, and when the car stopped on the traffic light, he went to him and told him about the road safety and why it is necessary to wear seat belts. After that, some other fellows joined him, and after that, he went to his college. When he went to his college, he talked to his teachers and also organized a road safety week in his college, which was praised by all. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. As per my perception, I can see there are three characters in the story. All are males, and all mood of all the characters is neutral. Main character of my story is Ayush, whose age is 22. Ayush is a college student. Once he was going through a market to buy some stationery. As he was passing through a road, he saw a car which was smoking, and as he saw the car, he rushed towards that and take help of some surrounding people to extinguish the fire. And after that, since no one was claiming up for the car and it was looking suspicious, he informed the police and tell all about the car. And after that, he go further to buy stationery from the market.
Jai Hind everyone. In my story, there were two characters. The main characters of my story is Inspector Sunil Singh. Actually, there was election going to be held in our country of the central election in upcoming 3 days. But there is lack number of vehicles that can be used in the transportation of EVMs and troops. So that he got the responsibility to arranging the vehicles. He went at the junction and arranged 18 vehicles in a day and completed the required number of vehicles so that administrative body can uphold the upcoming election fairly. Thank you.
I perceive from the story there are three characters in my story. One of them excited to see the car. When he was going to the school, his name is Sukhveer from the village of Killarmau. And when he went to his school, he saw a car, Mahindra Thar, and he was very excited to see the car and talk about all the things about car to his parents and teacher. And he think that he is very much costly. So his parents and teachers gave the suggestion to do hard work and make yourself successful to buy the car. And he started working in his company very much, and he do very well after and becoming a manager in his company. After that, he bought the car, and he went with his parents and teacher with a ride and enjoy very much in the car after buying the car, and make themselves very much proud. Thank you.
Yes, Jai Hind everyone. According to my perception, there are three characters, and all are in the positive mood, and their age is about the 25-year-old. And Bipin is my main character, who is a traffic police in charge. Once he saw that there is a car who is coming there rapidly, and he saw that he can injure a person, and then he suddenly called the ambulance and gave the first aid, and also informed the family members. After that, the car driver, he can put some fine and put awareness about the traffic rules. After that, all the society has get aware about the traffic rules and they follow it. And thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and Jai Hind to all. According to the pictures shown to us, I perceive there are three characters and the age of their 28 year to 30 year. My central character was Akhil. He was a newly posted police inspector in Meerut, and he was on his duty. One day on his duty, he saw a car who was making a very smoke by his engine, and after that he ran behind the car and catch the car and arrest the driver who was running car and make a fine to the driver. And after that, he also informed their locality to use electrical vehicle and better working car for their performance because they pollute our environment and also harmful or dangerous for our health, and also making also for dangerous for birds which are flying in the sky. And the locality were very happy, and they were praised their thoughts. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. According to my perception, there are three characters. One of them is central character, whose name is Raman, who is 23-year-old police officer posted in Bigapur. And one day, he himself was to check every person who is in seat belt or not, and also check the paper of the vehicle. So one day a family was going to his personal work. He saw them that he was none of them was no in bed seat belt. So he aware him about this type of mistake, and also punished him for this mistake, and in this way he is making awareness about among the public. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. As I perceived in this image, there are two characters. One of them is positive mood and other of them is a neutral mood. The central character of my story is Karthik, Karthik was posted Malwa district, newly posted. He was 25 years old. The crime rate of the Malwa is increasing day by day. So he decided to stop it. One day, when he was in his investigation, he saw that he got to know that drug dealing will be happen at that area. So he decided to stop it, and he went to the crossing and make a strong checking at that area. After that, he caught the criminal and take him to the police station. He was punished by the judge, and he got promotion for that. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I perceived two characters from the picture. The first character was 24 years old and the second character was 27 years old. Both were in the positive mood. The action of my story is making the people aware of telecom services. Samar, who was 27-year-old engineer posted in Jio Services. His wife was also posted as junior engineer in the same company. They were going for a awareness program in a village. In the way, their vehicle got damaged and they were standing in the front of garage for repairing. After the repairment, they continued their journey, made the people aware of the services, and after that, the sale of their product increased, and they did many awareness programs in future. Thank you.
Gentlemen, as many of us agree that the central character of our story is an police officer. Gentlemen, as many of us agree that the central character of our story is a police officer, and the central character of our story is a police officer whose age is about 25 years old, and he went to the drug dealing matter. I agree with change number so and so I also want see and that.
Okay, gentlemen, I want to say that at change number 157 I said that a vehicle was buying it Mahindra car or any more. Then we can say that he was in the regular checking, he was got image and the smoke was coming out of his
I think we should decide the number of characters of the story.
There are two characters for the story, and the car driver.
Okay, stop AGD.
The illegal issue.
Stop. System of 109 to 157 is group 1. 158 to 191 is group 2. Group 1 start.
Gentlemen, I think there were two characters in the story, so we must go with the idea of
Most of us
we must discuss the action of the story.
It may be the vehicle going to the election as well, and he got caught under the regular checking and seen the fault in the smoke and well, and go to the nearby shop in the garage to maintain the fault.
And I can get police officer because
Yes,
they are
sir.
more mentioned and all the.
Yes.
Okay, I agree. We got number 157, the main character will be a police officer, so we must proceed with the idea of the story.
Yes. So we can also take that it was a public car and it lay lying beside the road. And since it was looking suspicious, so police was gone there and it was smoke coming out.
Yes,
out of the car.
we are also saying that they
Okay, so he has I think just number 157 want to add some points, yes.
As we decided that he is the policeman of this story and he wants to go to solve the case, and we know he got damaged his car, and so he just go to the garage to repair his car, and after repairing his car he went to his police station to know all the details about the case.
Okay, I agree with just number 157 that he was a police inspector and he found a suspicious car on the road.
Yes.
After that, he went
Smoke was coming out.
Yeah, smoke was coming out from the car, and after that, he went.
Yes, according to my perception, there are two characters, and the age between them is 25 to 30, and the main character is that and he is the traffic police in charge, and the car driver has dealing with the
and he is making awareness. He is making awareness about the public. One day he was going to.
Yes, I think the car driver has dealing the illegal issues, and he can also break the traffic rules and these kinds of things, and that's why the traffic police in charge has caught him, and because he can dealing with the illegal issues, that's why the police.
And the police inspector arrest the car driver and make a fine, and also aware to the locality that we use more electrical vehicles. So
Yes, I agree with your point. The main thing is that.
Character of the story is that police officer and a car driver with a high smoking car is going to the road, and he went to the car and stopped him, and he
is making the illegal issues. The car driver is driving and it's breaking the laws, and so the car driver is doing the illegal issues. So we can saw that the police driver, the traffic police has saw that, and he can aware about the traffic rules, and so he can follow and make the life better.
In the back, written garage there, so we cannot say that it was a policeman. The two persons were in the garage, so it may be a car was damaged and they were repairing it.
Yeah, I agree with your point, but the main thing is that the car driver is dealing the illegal issues, and either he is breaking the laws, either he is dealing with someone.
And use as much as electrical vehicle in our day-to-day life, and repair our previous car.
And advise to repair the car of that person.
Yes, and also aware about the society to dealing with such kind of illegal issues.
And
Yes,
also
he making awareness about that.
pollution, so that
The whole group stop.
So, gentlemen, many of them have. Yes, we can saw that there are two characters only, and the age between them is 25 to 30, and many of them have agreed with the main character is the traffic in charge, and the traffic in charge inspector. Yes, we all have said that the center character is police inspector, and he caught the car driver who is dealing with the illegal issues. So he caught him and and the car driver do not follow the traffic rules, and he is violating such kind of the air pollution.
We can go with the story of chest number 164, as he was saying that we are making people aware of the pollution which was coming out of the web. So we can take
then I also like to add one, and he also put
Okay, stop. Now all of you discuss among yourself and nominate one member who will get up and tell me the common story.
Yes, I think 148 has better story.
Since we are candidates with dynamic thoughts, we had perceived three characters in the story. And the main character of our story is Ayush, whose age is 28, and he is a police inspector. Once the car was passing through a traffic site, and he seen that a lot of pollution was coming through the car. And after that, he go to the driver and convince him to change the engine of the car. And he also make people aware of that by using pamphlets and other advertising boards, so that people should use the new engines which are not prone to the pollution. And he also make people aware of some other traffic rules, such that not to break the traffic rules, and also to wear seatbelts so that they can make them safe.
You all perform very well. I would like to give you assessment. Regarding assessment, I would like to tell you that there are three kinds of classification assessment. Yes, no, and doubtful. If you have performed below average or just average, you will get a no. If you have performed above average, like अगर आपने अच्छा perform किया, you will get a doubtful. But if you have performed excellent, you will get a yes. So if we talk about your present performance right now, just number 109.
Yes, sir.
You got doubtful in all three cases: narrations, discussion, story. You need to work on your fillers, but your power of expression and energy level has increased significantly since the last time. So good work. 137. Narration, discussion and story may you have got doubtful. Discussion we took initiative, so that was a very good thing to give chance to 109. It showed good group cooperation. Energy and power of expression was quite good. You need to work little bit on your fluency when it comes to narration part. Somewhere the fluency was breaking, otherwise it was fine performance. 148, same case scenario, you are getting 3 doubtfuls. Energy level was quite good. You also need to work on the fluency a little bit during the narration part. It was breaking at the times, so make sure it doesn't break at when you are performing there. 154, you also perform quite well. They are doubtful in all 3 cases. Fluency and accent, you have to work on that. 157, you are just a borderline case. You are getting a no in all 3 cases, but you are just a question mark. That is just between no and doubtful. You have shown very good improvement. Power of expression and gaps, like when you're performing group discussion, you have to work on your power of expression. You were performing very good, but your power of expression was not that good, so they were not able to understand what you are saying. And when it comes to when you are speaking, try to speak in gaps only. When you are finding that gap कि जब 2 लोग नहीं बोल रहे तो उसके बीच में एक छोटा सा gap आएगा, try to speak in that gap. And when it comes to individual narration, eye contact, stammering and involvement, maintain proper eye contact with the group members. Fluency was breaking a lot, और थोड़ा सा इन्वॉल्वमेंट शो करना है, मतलब कि व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, इट इज़ अ स्टोरी दैट यू आर टेलिंग, तो वहाँ पे वॉइस का फ्लुएंसी जो डायनेमिज्म है, इट हैज़ टू वेरी इट. कहाँ पे कॉमा आ रहा, कहाँ फुल स्टॉप आ रहा, यू विल हैव टू पुट स्ट्रेस ऑन दैट. 158, नरेशन में नो है, डिस्कशन में नो है, बट बॉर्डर लाइन केस, बिकॉज यू विल हैव टू बी अ लिटिल बिट अ गुड लिसनर, और थोड़ा सा ग्रुप डायनेमिक्स पे वर्क करना है. लाइक देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन 196 वाज स्पीकिंग, बट अगर उस टाइम पे आप शांत रहते तो फिर ग्रुप डिस्कशन आपके वाले सेकंड ग्रुप का ज़्यादा बेहतर जाता है. सो यू विल हैव टू फाइंड टाइम्स व्हेन यू हैव टू स्पीक एंड व्हेन यू शुड नॉट स्पीक ऑल्सो. द स्टोरी वॉज क्वाइट गुड. स्टोरी में डाउटफुल है. यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर नर्वसनेस, आई कॉन्टैक्ट, comfortability with English language and stammering during the narration part. 166, narration no, borderline case. Discussion में doubtful. You need to work on your body language. बहुत ज़्यादा आगे lean हो जाती है. Story was also okay. It is a doubtful. You need to work on your body language, fluency and energy level if it comes to narration part. During narration also your body is slightly bent forward. 190, narration में no है, discussion में no है. You need to work on your power of expression. You participated a lot, energy was good, but you were not able to properly express what you are trying to say. Story part is okay, doubtful है उसमें. Energy was good, body language we have to work, accent, fluency, comfortability with English language and stammering. 196, narration में no है, but discussion story में doubtful है. Discussion was quite good. You need to work on your stammering, fluency, involvement and tone of voice when it comes to narration. 191, फिलहाल अभी तीनों में no है. Narration was quite okay, but you have to work really hard. Regarding the body part, your body is moving to and fro. Head movement भी काफ़ी हो रही है. You need to work on the fluency, energy level as well as stammering. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you all work on all these things ताकि आपका ये जो परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पे थोड़ी इंप्रूवमेंट आपको देखने को मिली है, वहाँ पे आपकी परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ट है.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.